So there should be something in there for maybe it's just not reporting it properly. I don't know.
Does somebody else set this up for us?
So these tags are for the Datadog, right? Not in the PagerDuty itself.
Well, that's where it comes from. So if I look up that.
So the mapping of those tags to PagerDuty was probably going to be managed by, I'm going to assume the SRE team or whoever sets up and manages PagerDuty.
Well, it should be in here.
We control the tags that we place in the models. So if there's a mapping that's available to say, if you populate this tag, then it will override whatever that thing is that's showing up in PagerDuty, then we can set that up in our models.
Okay.
I thought it was in here though, in the monitor. How do we edit the configuration? I thought in the monitor itself, that's where you configure the PagerDuty integration.
Yeah, at the very top right, there should be an edit. Yeah, you just don't have it.
Okay. Yeah, down
here. Yeah.
That's interesting. I thought, like in the past, I'd configured an alert like in here for the PagerDuty. Okay, anyway, but we do have the ability to change this?
To change what?
There should be one.
Like, how does this get to PagerDuty?
Let me see what you're looking at. Okay, you don't have it. I'll show you. You just don't have edit, is why.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Oh yeah, is there at PagerDuty ES platform service?
Notify team, and then I think it's that right there, the tag.
Okay, so over in PagerDuty, maybe we need to create kind of multiple endpoints, one for each service, and then instead of using just at ES platform services, it's at PagerDuty-ES-platform services.user service.
Yeah, it's too bad the tags didn't flow over to it. No, that would be nice.
I think if those tags can be propagated to the PagerDuty, that would be because when you create here the additional ones, it will create a separate notification for those services. So I don't know. We have to bundle all those for the one call, right?
Yeah,
let's say we create
a schedule for each, right?
Yeah.
If we did that.
No, you just associate the same schedule with the different services.
But you need to see if we can get combined view. I don't know, in the PagerDuty it will be like that smart, but we have to figure it out. But it's a good suggestion. We want granular data for sure.
So, this one doesn't have a notify, of course. There's not very many notifies in here.
Oh, and then notification for on-call is for production only, I'm guessing you guys have, right? We don't want to just flood the notification on-call for the others.
Yes, except for a few, as in the service is down.
If the service down, I'm guessing you have an offline thing that we can get it, but not like a...
For dev, I would say you can probably go with not just have somebody notify you if they're like... Because if like one of our service goes down, basically all of dev or Jules goes down. So this is when I left. It's like, just make sure that our service is up and running. Anything else we can be notified for in dev. Stage, we should probably be a little bit more strict and monitor a little bit more. Currently, it's still just the down because that was too much noise. But because we have end users for the business that use Stage for training, we want to make sure that we're following up. So we probably should follow up and be a little bit more stringent on there. If we're getting like massive client errors, we'll just put a pretty high threshold. But yeah, the only thing we have now is the service actually running for dev and Stage. Again, I would like to put more for Stage, but we haven't gotten to that kind of stuff yet. So.
Okay.
But yeah. And again, that's just because we have end users in that use that.
So for Stage, I can understand. For dev, if it's for our internal team use, I don't think is like really critical. Yes, of course we want to know, but I'm guessing one of the developer will tell us, okay, this service not working down or not. Don't know. We want to have a PagerDuty fatigue for that, like get notified for that. But
Yeah.
let's see how
first-
many incidents are happening.
They're not. Yeah, we haven't got anything for dev being down or stage being down. They're that's usually super stable. I left those ones in there because I want to be first to know. I don't want some other developer telling me that my own service is down in any environment, and I also don't like how that looks to others. It's like, oh yeah, it's always unstable. They can't get things right. So I'd rather be the first to know. And if they tell me something, it's like, yep, I'm on it, already taking care of it, type of thing. So, but that's my personal thing. I'll do whatever the team decides on if it gets noisy or anything.
Okay. I can help you, Carl. Probably we are at the time just to one thing. So we are able to only cover 2 topics. Okay, guys. For what is the next topic for the next meeting? What are you guys thinking? First of all, let me ask this one: is this helpful? Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. Who are not on the camera, I'm guessing yes. Owen already put it yes. Okay. Now, I have so many other topics, but I wanted to see what is the next topic that we want to take. Think about it, and we can discuss about it. I wanted to talk more probably if we have any branching strategy that we have to discuss or not, especially this code freeze, how we to handle the code freeze like that, right? And I have some documentation from Matt where what other teams are doing and what other strategies they are using, right? There's pros and cons of all. I want to think as a team how and what we can do, best practice that not cause a lot of problem for us not to, move forward when there's a code freeze like that. Couple of strategy has been discussed about the code freeze branch, go all the way to the stage wait, those kind of things, allow the merge. Some says that code freeze at production in the GitLab. So there are different ideas out there, but I want to think as a team and then come up with the best option that is good for us. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
One more I'd like to bring up.
Sure.
Next one is code reviews. And that would be from creating the merge request to other people looking at it and all that. Just the process and what we expect from the developer, putting the merge request out there to the response back from people, types of comments, and all that kind of stuff. So.
Yeah. So the next topic I had it in a list is a code review policy as well. I wanted to see the minimum code review policy, what we have set up. Is it good enough? Are we able to do all those things? Yes, no.
Yeah,
so
I don't think we have a policy, so.
So good. Okay. I think good discussion. Looking forward for the next one. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Awesome. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.